Hi everyone, today let's talk about a really important topic that is on how to properly maintain your data. 2 days back when I switched on the laptop, I found my hard disk is corrupted and tried so many alternatives but found no other alternatives except to format the hard disk. So the result, losing all the important data. That can happen to any one of us at some point, knowingly or unknowingly. So in this video, let's check out how we can avoid these type of situations. Method 1, taking a regular backup of your files. Let's try to understand with the help of a free tool on how we can take a backup. I'm using a AOMEI Backupper tool, which is a free and easy to use. If you want to try, I will leave the link in the description. You can check that out. When you want to create a backup easily, softwares like this are very much useful while creating system backups, disk backups, partition backups, file backups, or any kind of backups. Let's now try how we can do a file backup in AOMEI software. But that almost every backup tools that are available in the market will have a similar procedure. Okay, let's see step by step how to backup the files. First, click on the backup tab. Now click on the file backup. Here you need to select the source file or folder, and then you need to select the destination path. Once done, you can click the start backup, and that's it. You have your data backup in just a few clicks. And it's really worth to maintain your backups. To restore the data, all you have to do is head towards the restore tab and select the image that will be created when you back up the files or folder, and click the restore and it will get all the data back. All right, let's start copying your entire data. Before moving, if you want some amazing content like this, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have a partition in your hard disk and each one represents a category of files, like videos in one partition and images in another partition, and your documents in another partition. In this case, without losing the partition names and categories, you said we can use a clone feature, which will be available in the data backup tools like AOMEI software. Let's look at how we can do that using AOMEI. Head on to the clone tab. Maybe let me explain these one by one. System clone, you can actually clone your entire OS and relate it if you want to upgrade your PC from HDD to SSD based OS. Disk clone, this is what I'm talking about. Without losing the partition and categories, we can clone the entire hard disk data to maybe some external hard disk. Partition clone. You can clone the partition of important data and put it in another partition. So to maintain a mirror copy of it, and will be helpful if your partition messed up. Okay, this lectures apart. Now let's try a clone for partition clone. Select the type of cloning you need. Select the source partition, then click on next. Select the destination partition. Once done, you will be able to see the exact same data, whether it may be files like images, videos, or documents. You will see the exact same data, which is the clone feature. You can explore all other styles of backups and clones you can see in the software by taking, like some backup or tools as a reference, like AOME in my case. To download the AOME software, I will put the website link in the description. Please go ahead and check it out. All right, these are the two ways how you can store the data and your memory is safe. That's the end of the video. I hope you have a good memory, and I think you have already liked and subscribed to my channel with my previous alert. If not, please do it now.